Let's move to the next level to reinforce walls over there. Okay, begin with this wall. Double-click to the icon. Click to select the wall. Click to get offset. And wall above. Open the interface. And remove the offset here is from the last setting. Okay, the parameters are the same for rebars. But for starter, define value starter length shorter. And for opening startups, 700mm for length in all sizes. Okay, I click the gray button and reinforce this wall. Continue to reinforce other walls with starter. For walls with no starter, because we don't have any above wall, we need to adjust a little. Open the Python part without selecting the wall above. And no starter bars will be created. We will check that after we try for all walls. We can ignore this wall. And continue reinforcing for other walls. Okay, let's see the result. It's okay for wall with or without starter. Okay, so in this video I have shown you how to use the wall reinforcement Python part to create reinforcement and also section label for walls in the Hello Allplan project. Hope that through this video and this series you can have an overview about what can we do with our walls, slab and strip relation Python parts. And in the near future we will have more series for more Python parts developed by ALLTO. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you and see you soon.